Nuer folklore. This is the story about elephant and cock. A Nuer story. Before we proceed with this, is it better to be big or clever? That is the question. Once there was a cock who lived near an elephant. The cock was small and weak, and the elephant was big and strong. He was proud too. "Look at me," the elephant often said to the cock. "I am big and strong. You are small and weak. I am much more important than you." The cock soon became tired of the elephant. "You are not more important than I am," he said. "I know you are bigger than me, but I am clever than you. That means that I am more important than you are." "No, it doesn't say the elephant. "Yes, it does," said the cock. "But we will never agree, so let's have a competition." "What kind of competition?" asked the elephant. "No, go to the river," said the cock. "Then we will see who can drink the most water, you or me." The elephant laughed. "What a silly competition," he said. "I will win, of course. I will win. I can drink much, much more water than you can," say the cock. So the elephant and the cock asked all the other animals to come to the river and judge their competition. The elephant put his trunk into the water, and the cock put his beak into the water. The elephant began to pour water down his throat, but the cock just opened and closed his beak. He didn't drink anything at all. The elephant went on drinking. He became bigger and bigger. He drank some more. He became even bigger. He drank more and more and more, and at last, elephant burst and said the cock to all the other animals, "You see, it is much, much better to be clever than to be big." That is the story of an elephant and a cock. See you next time.